Hey guys, welcome back. Spoiler alert, we are opening the 2024 JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop Luxury Advent. So she does 2 Advents every year. This one, which is 12 days, and the 24-day Floral Advent. I bought both. Instead of opening them in one video, we're going to open them in 2 because I only ordered X number of Advents this year due to cost constraints. So this is the 3rd Luxury Advent sticker collection from the shop, and I think this is the 3rd time I have purchased this, so yay. Yeah, it is. So, okay, cute black seal. I always save those. Open this outer envelope, and inside we have 12 more envelopes. Okay, let's get this out of here. So, this is your final warning. If you do not want to be spoiled for this Advent, please hit the like button and then come back later and watch the video. Okay, shameless plugs for myself. Alright, we've got green envelopes this year. So let's see, day 1. Oh, okay, so we're doing the usual monthly theme. So this is January. And isn't this beautiful? I love these books. This whole scene. Oh, this is great. The plants. Oh, I love this. That's adorable. Okay, so that one's January. So number 2 should be February. Yep. Oh, how pretty. How pretty. Oh, what a pretty teacup. Look at that. Look at that detail on this teacup. Joe is amazing. Absolutely amazing. I love this. Okay, that is February. Day 3. March. Right? Yes. Oh, look. The little flower truck. Oh, that's so cute. Like a little flower farm. Tulip farm. Little shoes. March is down here. Flowers for sale. Tote bags. Oh, this is adorable. That is so cute. Alright, not putting it back in the envelope, just putting it with its envelope. Otherwise, we'll be here all day while I struggle to put them back in the envelopes. Which happens every year. Okay. April. Ooh. This is a pretty color palette. You wouldn't expect this for April, but I like it. Oh, that's cool. I love that. All the stationery supplies and the desk. That's cool. I like that. Okay, that was 4. 5. May. We've got seeds and gardening tools and lots of flowers. This is beautiful. That is so pretty. Oh, and the cute rain boots. This is adorable. The detail and just on her artwork is mind-blowing. Have you guys ever sat and watched her draw things on Instagram? It's just like, how did you do that? How do you know how to do that? I get my pen out and it's just scribbles. It's a disaster. Got June. Look at the little cat. Bookstore. This is a bookstore, right? I'm going blind. Yep. Next chapter books. I do love book stickers, as we all know. Nice row of books down here. Pretty flowers. Little embroidery things to go on the wall. Oh, I love this. That's so pretty. And day 7, July. Okay, this is cute. I do go fishing for my birthday, so this is adorable. Little lunchbox. So cute. I love the flowers. Okay, we've got day 8. Aw, that's pretty. August beach vacation. That's fantastic. Look at this eagle. This shell. Again, the detail is just amazing. This one too. Wow. So cute. Okay, we've got day 9. September. A bakery, how cute. Look at this. This is so adorable. Oh, I love this. Wow. The old-fashioned cash register. It's just so pretty. It's always pretty, but it's just, she wows every year. She really does. Just wow every year. October. Got pumpkins, of course. Another cute cat. Oh, that's neat with the drippy wax. That's pretty. Mums everywhere. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, that's neat. Day 11. We are almost done with this one. Well, I can show you the freebies that came with it. Okay, so day 11 is November, and it's definitely sweater weather, at least towards the end of this year. We still had 80s before Thanksgiving. It was nuts. I like this. That looks like very relaxing. I would like to hang out there. Very cool. I really like this. And day 12, so this is going to be December. Aw, this is just so cute. The trees, these lampposts, it's like something out of Narnia. Got all these candy canes. That's cute. The hand-painted ornaments. JoJo hand paints little wooden ornaments. I have a bunch of them. I love them. You know, coffee, some cookies. Awesome. So, so pretty. I can't imagine the amount of work that goes into this every year. Like, just, it is absolutely amazing every year. Every year. So, get freebies with orders. If you're on JoJo's mailing list or email mailing list, then whenever she does a new release, there's usually like a code for a freebie depending on what you spend, or just in general. So this is one of the things that I got. This is adorable. We'll get to these in a sec. They're cute. How do you open it? Oh, see, I didn't want to destroy the sticker. I'm going to destroy the wax bag. I don't need the wax bag, but I want the sticker. So, isn't this absolutely adorable? Happy Thanksmas. So Halloween, Christmas, and Thanksgiving all in one ghosty. How cute is that? One ghosty snowman. I absolutely love that. And then there is this freebie and an extra freebie and this freebie. This is the one for the newsletter. I forget how you got this one. I think if you spent a certain amount, you put in the code and you got this. So pretty, and they all match. Alright, so we're going to put this back in that envelope. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Did you get JoJo's Advent? Have you gotten it before? What do you think? You're going to go check it out? Let me know. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos. We are doing this all Vlogmas, all Planmas, whichever one you like. We are opening more and more Advents and Black Friday deliveries and subscription boxes and setting up planners and all kinds of fun stuff. So don't miss out. I'll see you in the next one.